guys, what's going on? Welcome to Moto Mango.
1, 2, 3, jump!
So the plan for today is to get my cafe hoop on my bike. But first, I'm going to have to cut it to the size I want, which will ideally, the end of the hoop will be flush with my seat. So I'll get that cut, I'll get it sanded down, and then we'll weld that on my bike. Should be fun. So let's see, just eyeballing it here. Wow, that's really close. That might be even just good enough to not even cut. If I was gonna cut, it'd be like maybe half a centimeter, if that. There's just that little bit of overhang.
I can fly, just grab my head from him sin. With me tonight, I'm gonna run. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. The secret's there, everywhere. Just you and I run away.
So I got my cafe hoop cut to the size I want. Now I just gotta double check that it's actually where I want in regard to the seat position. So, take a look at that. That looks pretty good. That's about how I want it. Just the seat, just barely extending past the hoop. So, I'm pretty happy with that. Now I just gotta weld it on. So let's do that. Alright, that's going to do it. I got the hoop on the bike. It's looking pretty good. I put some JB Weld over my welds just because my welds look terrible and it's easy to sand over and smooth it out. So if you're curious why I did that, that's why. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Stay tuned for the next video where I get the seat on and I'll hook up the LED light and turn signals that are built into the hoop. Cheers.